One greatly, highly misunderstood concept in law of attraction is everybody is you pushed out. It means you, the behavior of others and how others treat you, totally depends on you. It is true. I'm not saying it is false. It is 70 to 80% true, but it is not absolute. No matter what you do, no matter how good you become, some people will not change towards you no matter what you do. See, 20 to 80% people, they may have misunderstood you, they may have sensed the insecurity, the fear, the lack of confidence inside you, so they may not be treating you fairly. They may not be treating you right. But some people, they are inherently toxic. They are negative. Universe has always had negative people, negative energies, and positive people, positive energies, and everything. That is how universe operates. They have existed ever since the beginning. When you use law of attraction, people who are not inherently toxic, not inherently bad, their attitude towards you will improve. When you treat yourself more fairly, when you treat yourself with a better attitude, when you look at yourself with more confidence, the world will start seeing you that way. So it is applicable. People are reflection of how you are from inside. Law of attraction means that you attract what you are, not what you want. But some negative people, some negative energies will always be there. They'll come to you. You have to be inner strong and inner peace and inner satisfaction, which helps you develop a kind of immunity or a protection against such forces, such people, such negativity. When you are strong and confident from inside, such people will all, by default, start reducing in your life, and automatically more positive, more caring, more supporting, more helpful people will be manifested in your life. Remember, you cannot change people from who they are inside, because there is a concept of free will and it exists, and that has to be respected. As simple as that. So you cannot change people from inside who they are. Even the changes which you have to make in your own self, you have to make changes which make you more of you, rather than trying to befit the definition of others of who you are. That is the change, one big change you have to make in your own self, to become more of your own self, to become a better version of you, not someone else. And these are the changes which you have to bring in your life, and slowly start seeing the changes and how people treat you better around you. But don't believe in the absoluteness of this concept that everybody is you pushed out and you can change people. You can change your own self, and good people will automatically turn better because of you. And those who do not turn good, that's not your problem. You have to attract and manifest better people in your life. And people who cannot stop hating you, who cannot stop criticizing you because it's their compulsive behavior, because their vibrational match can never be yours, you're not responsible for them. Simply let them go. They'll automatically leave you. And better be make way for better people to manifest in your life. Have a great day and great life, everyone.